Hello guys, welcome back to another interesting episode of Living Colors. Guys, pocket monkeys belongs to the smallest breed of monkey in the world. A small pocket monkey can literally hold on to human fingers like monkey holding on to tree. Hence they are also called as finger monkeys. Are you fascinated about this adorable animal? Do you wish to know whether it is a good idea to keep them as pet? Watch our video till the end. You will get to know. So let's go to today's video. If you have not yet subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our interesting video. Guys, Pygmy marmosets, also known as pocket monkey or finger monkey, are one of the world's tiniest monkey breed, originally from South American rainforest. They spend most of their time climbing trees and searching for food. Guys, do not judge a book by its cover. Though these monkeys are very tiny, they have an ability to jump and height that cannot be easily covered by other monkey breeds. They can easily jump to a height of 15 feet in the air, as the weight of adult monkey would just be 100 grams. They can grow up to 5 to 6 inches in length, including tail. The finger monkey have a long lifespan if they are well taken care of. They have an average lifespan of 12 years in the wild and about 18 years in captivity. Guys, when we talk about cage, they require a large cage in place where they can jump around and move freely. Don't forget to add swing and tree branches in the cage so that your monkey does not get bored. One of the important things to keep in mind is this creature requires a lot of sunlight. While placing cage, make sure that it is exposed to sunlight. As an alternative, you can also use heat lamp or UV lights. Also make sure to keep the cage clean and hygiene. Guys, a finger monkey have a different diet compared to other monkeys. They come under a category of gummivorous who feed mostly on gums of the tree. The sap and gums are extracted from the tree using their sharp teeth. This is the reason why they are mostly found on trees. Their diet is comprised of high amount of carbohydrates. You should also ensure to include vitamin D3 and C in their diet. These vitamins are indeed essential for their healthy life. There are also special biscuits available for finger monkeys in the market. Alternatively, you can easily feed them vegetables, fresh fruits, rice and small insects. Guys, finger monkeys are active as any other monkey breed. They jump from one tree to other tree and they also run. But what makes them unique is their capability to rotate their head 180 degrees without any difficulties, which cannot be done by all monkeys. Keeping finger monkeys as pet is becoming more common. However, if you wish to keep them as your pet, then there are certain things that you should be looking into. Finger monkeys can tend to be aggressive when they reach adulthood, and you should be prepared to handle them well. They are very active and often need a companionship of human being or other finger monkeys. In wild, finger monkey live in a group of 6 to 9. Hence, it is always recommended to keep at least 2 monkeys together so they can be active and happy. Guys, with this we are ending our today's video. Before winding up, I would like to give you a small hint on our upcoming video. Guys, the trend of keeping exotic animal as pet is growing with time. You can see more and more people keeping variety of exotic animal as their pet. To regulate this, government has come up with new rules and regulation. As per the recent advisory issued by Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, you require a non-objection certificate from Chief Wildlife Warden before importing any exotic live species. The advisory also requires the existing exotic pets to be registered with the Chief Wildlife Warden of the respective state before 15th December 2020. In our upcoming video, we will be detailedly discussing about this rules and regulation and the procedure of getting registration. Do comment your view on this new regulation adopted by the government. So see you soon with another interesting video.